Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Young's Life Tips channel. If you like my video, please thumb up. Please also subscribe to my channel. You will not miss any future video. Hello everyone, thank you for visiting Dr. Young's Life Tip channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a double door America style fridge freezer heater. I have a double front door America style fridge freezer. Recently the fridge freezer always tripping the whole electricity down, which means cut off the whole electricity once I switch on the fridge freezer. What I try to do today, I try to open the fridge freezer and check which part is wrong. I believe it's somewhere have shortcut within the fridge freezer, because mainly this part, one is the compression machine on the back, but inside you also have some lighting, and also you have the heater which defrosts the fridge. First I needed to do is switch off the fridge and also empty the fridge so that I can access to the compartment. Switch off the fridge from the back socket, then open the right hand door. You can see I have empty this fridge. What I need to do, I need to remove the two screws over here and one screw on the left. Right now I remove the two screws. After that I need in here have another two screws, one in each side. You see here you have the small pad, remove that. Then again you need to remove the two screws on the right and the left hand side. So after remove, we are able to then you can open this from the top. Right now you can see the heating element on the back of the fridge from the top to the bottom. Right on the bottom there is heating. I suspect this element was wrong. So you can see here is the wires linked to the back of the fridge. So what I did, I went to internet to order one heater. Please make sure this is comparable to your model. So this is the heater. You have the wires from the top, and in the middle you have a fixed of the wire. Remove the older heater from top, unplug, then remove the wire fixer in the middle on here, and then you remove the entire heater on the bottom. So after that you replace the new one. So after you replace heating element, then you can one by one just put the screw back on, then finish. After this, my fridge is work again. I save more than 350 pounds by repair myself. And please also subscribe to my channel. You will not miss any future new videos. Thank you very much.